Some welcome changes coming for high school sports next month in New York State. Effective February 1st, participants in higher risk sports, as they are described, may take part in individual or distance group training. This includes football, wrestling, ice hockey, basketball, volleyball, and cheerleading. Teams may also take part in competitions and tournaments as permitted by local health authorities. Officials must consider whether new variants of COVID have been identified in the area, along with local rates of COVID transmission.